Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made them assumptions. Clearly not your fault.
What is up? We're back with another video. It's your girl Medusa. If you haven't seen me on your screen before, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. If you're my friend on Facebook, you already know that I installed my second vending machine at the location yesterday. This is just basically the, getting ready to do that. I am making the button selections myself because the ones I would have to order would take too long to get here, and I wanted them, in the thing today. So this is just, a video of that, a kind of a tutorial. All I did was download pictures of the can, took the background off and put them on my background. I added the ice myself. I added the calories in the corner myself. I measured the inches to see how much it needed to be to fit in there. So, yeah. So, today is installation day. I know the last time y'all see me, I was making the things. Here, I actually made more. You're going to see why I made more once you see the machine. But I actually made these. Like, I designed and actually made them. I cut them out, printed them out all myself, because the ones that I was supposed to order wasn't going to be here in time. So I just made them, and you're going to see me put them in the vending machine and actually stock up the vending machine today. And yeah, I think that's it for today.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made them assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky, like you was gonna show out. Started losing interest. I started to zone out. You was fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. Really didn't think it gone like this. Should've stayed my
to clarify a little bit, I was anticipating putting cans in this machine. However, I didn't know that it needed actual can shims to, put cans in the machine. So I had to take all the can pops back and put bottles in them, just so the machine won't be there and be empty. So this is what you see me stocking. I'm stocking bottles, and it's only going to be in 4 for right now, because one, there are not a lot of drinks that's in bottles. That's why I wanted to go with cans anyway. But that's the end of this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ask questions that will get answered, whether I comment back or make a video on it. Again, I'm selling vending PDFs for your proposal, for your contract agreement, for the vending summary, everything you need to go to a location and be professional. The link is going to be in the description. Bye.